There's nothing more enjoyable than being in nature, and no one knows that better than those who live an active outdoor lifestyle, from hunters to mountain bikers to weekend hiking enthusiasts. That's why Deer Valley has partnered with Mossy Oak's Native Living series to help bring the beauty of nature indoors through the creation of the Robin's Nest, a 3-bedroom, 2-bath manufactured home for those whose passion for the outdoors inspires them to bring those elements inside. Through the combination of Mossy Oak's signature nature-focused designs and Deer Valley's top-quality, environmentally friendly constructions, the Robin's Nest is an ideal home for any sports person, whether you're looking for the perfect family retreat or a new deer camp headquarters. Because your home should be every bit as enjoyable as a day spent in the woods.
Come by and see our Mossy Oak Native Living Series homes today at Kentucky Dream Homes. Go to KentuckyDreamHomes.com for more information and like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great home tours and more information on our homes.